Sing Sang Tai Tai Le Ho. I'm Lilibet A. Furiel, 38 years old. I am from Bulacan, Philippines. I am a high school graduate, separated, blessed with three children ages 18, 16, and 12 years old. My hobbies is cooking, cleaning, and driving. My work experience is to taking care of a newborn babies, kids. I also do the cooking, cleaning, and the household chores. I work in UAE as a domestic helper for 1 year and 4 months. I serve one couple and three children, ages 14, 3, and 2 years old. I also work in Hong Kong as a domestic helper for 10 months. I serve one elderly couple, ages 85 years old and 60 years old. I work also in Hong Kong for 2 years. I serve one couple and two children, ages 6 years old and 3 years old. I work also as domestic helper in Hong Kong for 1 year and 2 months. I serve one couple and three children and one newborn baby, ages 9 years old, 6 years old, and 4 years old. If you hire me, I promise to do my very best to taking care of my duty. I hope you will give me the chance, the opportunity to work in your family. Thank you and God bless.